If you truly care about your privacy on the internet, who would you choose? A browser that says it protects you from tracking, or a browser that says it actually prevents websites from knowing who you are? People keep asking me in the comments all the time, DuckDuckGo or Brave? Which one actually protects you more? And the truth is, the answer isn't as simple as people think, because each of these browsers protects you in a completely different way. And in this video, I'll show you the real difference between them, what's actually happening behind the scenes, and when you should use this one, and when you should use the other. Let's start with the DuckDuckGo browser. The main idea behind it is very simple. The primary goal of this browser is to block tracking. What does that mean? It means that when you open any website, advertising companies try to plant small pieces of code on the page to find out who you are, what you visit, and what websites you go to next. DuckDuckGo does something important here. It blocks most of those codes before they even run. And it also has a powerful feature called App Tracking Protection. This feature prevents many apps on your phone from sending your data to tracking companies. That's why a lot of people like it, because it's extremely simple and everything works automatically. The Brave browser thinks in a slightly different way. It doesn't just block tracking. It also tries to make websites unable to identify your device in the first place. And here we enter one of the most dangerous things in the tracking world today. It's called fingerprinting. The idea is simple. Websites can collect small bits of information about your device, such as your screen type, fonts, operating system, and even how your browser behaves. Then they combine all of that to create a digital fingerprint of you. Even if you delete cookies, they may still be able to recognize you. Brave tries to solve this problem in a very clever way. It uses something called fingerprint randomization. That means it keeps changing the browser's digital fingerprint continuously. So the website can't tell whether it's the same user or a completely different device. And that's why many people say Brave is stronger when it comes to privacy. So, which one is actually better? The truth is that this question doesn't have the same answer for everyone. If you want a simple browser that works without thinking about many settings, DuckDuckGo is an excellent choice. But if you want the strongest possible protection from tracking, especially fingerprinting, Brave will most likely be stronger. So in the end, the question isn't which one is better. The real question is, what do you actually need? Now I want to know your opinion. Which browser are you using right now? DuckDuckGo, or Brave, or a completely different browser? Write it in the comments and tell me why you chose it. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you can see all the things that tech companies don't always like to talk about. And I'll see you in the next video.